You are about to learn something they never taught you in school. The most magnetic person in any room never says a word. While others are begging for attention, she is doing absolutely nothing, and it is driving him insane. This is not luck. This is dark psychology, and today, you will master it. The first weapon of silence is called the void effect. When you go silent, you create a void in their mind. The human brain cannot tolerate unanswered questions. It becomes obsessed, trying to fill that void. The less available you are, the more valuable you become in their eyes. While you are at peace, they are falling apart. That is the void effect. The second weapon is the power shift. The moment you stop chasing, something shifts. They start chasing you. People want what they cannot have. The moment you become unavailable, you become irresistible. This is not playing games. This is understanding human psychology at its deepest level. Power never begs. Power attracts, and silence is power. The third weapon is the mystery effect. When you speak less, people project their deepest fantasies onto you. They imagine you are smarter, deeper, more powerful than anyone else. The unknown is always more powerful than the known. Mystery creates obsession. The quietest person in the room always carries the most power. Everyone feels it, even if they cannot explain why. She said nothing, and that said everything. The fourth weapon, silence as rejection. Not responding is a response, and it is the most powerful response you can give. While they lose sleep over you, you sleep like a queen. That is the power of strategic silence. When someone expects you to react and you don't, they lose all control. You gain it all. Silence is not absence. Silence is presence at its most powerful form. The fifth weapon is the withdrawal method. First, give them warmth. Then, without warning, pull back completely. Their brain releases dopamine during your warmth, then crashes when you withdraw. Just like addiction, they will do anything to get that warmth back. You become their addiction. This is not manipulation. This is understanding the deepest wiring of the human mind. The sixth weapon, strategic silence in arguments. The one who speaks first in an argument loses. The one who stays silent wins everything. Silence in conflict forces their own mind to become their enemy. They start doubting themselves. While you stay silent, they are fighting a battle inside their own head, and they are losing. Silence is not weakness. In arguments, it is the ultimate power move. The seventh weapon, the long game. Patience is the most underestimated weapon in dark psychology. While they obsess over your silence, you are growing. Quietly, powerfully, the most dangerous person in any room is never the loudest. It is always the quietest. Silence is not waiting. Silence is winning, slowly, surely, completely. The eighth weapon, the observation power. While others talk, the silent ones watch, and watching gives you power nobody else has. You already know their fears, their desires, their weaknesses, before they even speak. This is the intelligence that silence builds. Every word they speak reveals everything about them. Silent people do not just listen, they collect, and what they collect becomes their power. Now you understand the true power of silence, but here is the final secret. Silence only works when you have something worth being silent about. The most powerful silent people are silent because they are constantly growing, reading, learning, evolving. They are not silent because they have nothing to say. They are silent because they are too busy becoming someone worth obsessing over. That is the real secret. Silence is not a tactic, it is a lifestyle, and it changes everything. You have just learned the 7 weapons of silence, but knowing is not enough. Most people will watch this video and do nothing. They will go back to explaining themselves, chasing, begging for attention. But you now know better. The question is, will you use this knowledge? Start today. Speak less. Observe more. React never. Let your silence make them nervous. Let your calm make them curious. Let your absence make them obsessed. This is dark psychology, and now it belongs to you. If this video opened your eyes, subscribe, because what comes next will change everything. Remember, the most powerful thing you can do right now is say nothing.